How to create a restore point. Okay, type restore, create restore point. On yung D, create, and then let's say any name you like. Let's say before installation of that's how you create a restore point. So to double check, click system restore and then choose different restore level. Ayan, nandito siya oh. So kung sakaling gusto mo siyang i-restore for original setting, i-uninstall mo muna yung QB desktop and then i-select mo to and then restore, confirm your restore point. Once restore, you do not want do you want to continue? Once restore it, babalik siya dun sa original setting ng lahat ng setting before you install it. Ganun po. Thank you.